I miss my son. I miss Anka. I miss Tinker, my daughter. I miss my wife, Marlene. I miss Justin. Justin went home. I miss Justin. I miss Justin. No. I'm alright, man. Oh my god. My phone is running low on juice. I have a power pack though. I have a power pack. Oh. Birds are after that rules. Yeah, you fucking believe it. All it takes for you. No. Fuck you. Fuck you, Yanni. You're a dick. You're a fucking dickhead and I hate you. And I hate your mom. No. I love your mom. I banged her. In the butt. Oh, man. Oh, man. I need more smoke soon. I need fucking more smoke. The smokes here are like 77 Swedish. That's like, I don't know, like 65, 60 kronor. It's like, it's price gouging. Fuck Sweden. I better not shout that. But holy shit, did you see the fight with the Braggy and his friend? Like, I'm a kickboxer, I can kick anyone's ass. I brought him down with the power of the bird show. I'm awesome. I am now officially 116% awesome. 116. I'm considering going 117, but I'll hold on for the next great Dutchman's mom joke. Yeah, you know, Moffett, that's a problem. I've lit my beard on fire like 20 times. I've lit it on fire like 20 times. I'm not even kidding. If it's like just a little bit windy, I'm going to light my fucking beard on fire. Yeah, that's it. Fuck you guys. Oh, Psycho 125. I might just go with that. Bob, fuck you, man. You're the greatest. You're the fucking greatest. Hey, I have great news for you. Braxstad. Braxstad is staying THR. Braxstad is an official THR rider from now on. It's fucking awesome. Now we don't have to rely on stupid fucking losers like Dutchmen to keep on the THR legacy. We have fucking Braxstad. THR Braxstad is fucking official. And all I had to promise him was weekly ridicule if he's not winning. It's fucking awesome, and it's all up to you, Bob. You are the man. No, yeah, you were super close to not being a loser, but you lost more than anyone. You lost 2 times. Most of the people lost just 1 time. You lost 2 times. You're a double loser. Fuck you, Dutchman. You're the biggest loser in THR. Fuck you, and I fuck your mom, and Bob fucked your mom as well. Nah, I love you. I love you, man. I love you, man. I need to make a great Birdshaw stroke joke here as well. Oh, man. Oh, I'm an asshole. I'm sorry. I just gotta check my battery. Oh, 15%. I'm fucked. I have a power pad inside, but you can't hear shit inside. Oh man. So how many people we got in here? We got I don't know, like 5 people. Moffett, where's Psycho? Where's Psycho? Oh man, yeah, yeah, Pepperman. That intro with me talking down Braggy's friend. Holy shit, that was intense. Like, I'm a kickboxer, I can kick their ass. Yeah, you didn't feel his pecs. I felt his pecs. They were like hard as rock. But you know, man, the bouncers, they're the guys in charge. They say, go the fuck home, you go the fuck home. And that's just about it. What time is it? Oh, we have more than an hour left. Oh, you got Mississauga. Yeah, it felt like Fight Club 2, man. Oh man, I had to work hard. I had to work hard to keep my players safe. But, you know, I don't think they should have kicked out Braggy because he was like normally drunk. But I think they were like, he's pretty fucking young and he's pretty fucking drunk. I'm pretty sure I'm drunker than Braggy. But I can hold my liquor and I have a fucking awesome beard. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. It's awesome. Like 116 release. Zach got bumped. Zach has been out drinking for the 2nd time in his life, and he did awesomely. He did fucking awesomely. He held his liquor awesomely. But still, he was too drunk, man. His dad, John, might be joining us later, but I don't know, man. Zach was too drunk, and there's no question about it. He was more drunk than Braggy. Yeah, 125. My fault. Oof. Bob, we got him super fucking fucked up. Super fucking fucked up. Oh man. Oh, we got Pekla here.
Wow.
Yeah, it's Pekla.
Pekla here.
Yeah. He's like the greatest thing to come out of Italy since Ferrari.
Yeah. I think that I'm gonna bed because I'm very high.
Yeah.
I'm very drunk,
Yeah.
so I have to go to bed.
Yeah.
I hope to see you the next year, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for all.
Yeah.
And so, I already told you, but I hope to see you the next year.
Yeah, I hope so too. You're a great guy.
I really enjoy these days here
Yeah.
in Sweden.
You're a great guy, man. I love you, man.
Thank you.
Sleep tight. Sleep tight. That was Pekla. Pekla did awesomely. Pekla is a goddamn man. I'll see if I can find him tomorrow. Pegler's gone, man. Yeah. Oh, he's a huge dude. He's huge. He's a fucking great guy, though. He doesn't speak too much English. His English is like, it's okay. I can communicate with him. And we talked a lot about my holiday in Tuscany and in Florence, where he's from. He's a great guy. I love the guy. I love the guy. Justin, that cunt. Yeah, I said it. Justin is a cunt. He went home to watch hockey. No, I love Justin. I've given him so many back hugs, you won't believe it. So many back hugs. Oh man, guys, I need a piss, and I need a drink, and I need a power pack. Yeah. I think the Preds are playing. They got their ass whipped last time. They lost 4-1 to Winnipeg. And that makes me sad because I'm on the goddamn Predators bandwagon. The Predators are my team, man. Predators are my team, man. Yeah, Justin does. Justin is a cunt. You know that. Justin is a fucking cunt. I told you last stream. Well, not last stream, but the last party. Justin is a cunt. No, I love him. I love him. I want to mate with him. I'm gonna marry Justin. That's it. I told you, I'm not gay, but I will marry Justin. I'm gonna kill his wife. No, I'm not. But we'll be like Free's family. So, well, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna sign off. My phone's about to die. I hope you enjoyed my little crazy fucking ass avoiding Braggy to get this fucking ass kicked stream. Yep, Bob. Frontline, I think he's sleeping. Sleeping, dude. Bob, you're the fucking man. Hey, Dutchman, how did you like it? Zach, shout out to you. That was fucking awesome. And I was about to really get in my groove with Dutchman's mom jokes, but Joe kept kicking me under the table. He was like, no dude, that's too far, man. But all I said was, tell your mom I said hi. Tell your mom I said hi. But seriously, Yanni, tell your mom I said hi. I will be seeing you guys. Fuck you, Bach. Fuck you, Dutchman. Moffett, I love you. Psycho, I love you too. We things gonna get together. We're gonna have a gay old time. Fuck you, Bob. Fuck you, Dutchman. I'm signing off. Bye-bye.